Hi, I'm Jeff Gill, co-founder of Grout. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of our ColorSeal process. Not only will our ColorSeal formula bring your grout back to its original beauty, it will also make it water resistant, stain resistant, and mold and mildew resistant. Let me show you an example. Here you see me pouring red wine into the grout that's been treated with Grout's ColorSeal process. Next, I'm going to add some soy sauce, making this one nasty spill. I'll even rub it in and let it sit for a few minutes. Notice that the ColorSeal keeps the liquid on the surface, so even the nastiest spills can sit there for hours or days, and the cleanup is easy. Now I'll take a dry paper towel and wipe it, and the stain is completely gone. You'll see these results every time with a single treatment of Grout's ColorSeal process. Contact us today for a free in-home consultation and let us show you how we can bring your tile back to its original luster and protect it for years to come.